What is the one thing successful creators do that you don't? Without an awesome hook, your video is going to get skipped, no matter how good the rest of your content is. So the key would be to use hooks that stop the scroll. But what type? Most of the time on social media, you're going to get shown verbal and text hooks. And these are the different types you can use for your content niche. These are nothing compared to the hooks I'm going to be showing you at the end. So the first type is a negative hook. Stop doing this one thing that's killing your engagement. Niches that would well for this hook would be social media marketing, highlighting mistakes. Health and fitness, highlighting comment, diet and workout errors. Or finance, pointing out harmful spending habits. Bold statement hook. You need a degree to land your dream job. Niches that work well, that career development, entrepreneurs, lifestyle. You have curiosity hooks. What happens when you quit caffeine for a week? That is wellness travel technology. Then we have a question hook. Why isn't your content going viral? This works well for education, DIY, how to, plus business. Scarcity hook. 3 days to grab this exclusive course. It's event marketing, real estate. Shock or surprise hooks. Example, this one hack saved me $10,000 in a year. Niches that do well, personal finance, health. Social proof hook. Example, this is how hundreds of creators are doubling their reach using this one tool. Niches, marketing, education, health and fitness. Then we got a how-to hook. It's how I grew my audience to 30K in just 30 days. Here's content creation, DIY, crafts, career. I challenge every day for you to post for a month. Here's what happened to me. Now that's called a challenge hook. Fitness, lifestyle, social media. Then we have a problem-solving hook. Struggling to save money, this is what you need to do. Niches, personal finance, parenting, technology. All these hooks grab attention while addressing the needs of your ideal audience. Now, before we get into the seriously juicy stuff, while a killer or text hook will grab attention, your caption plays an equally important role. Why is that then? Well, for starters, first of all, it's not about just engaging with your audience. It's also about optimizing your content for discovery. I want you to think about your captions as the bridge between your content and the algorithm. Start your caption with a hook or phrase that complements your video. For example, I could say, struggling to grow with your engagement. This is what worked for me. This draws viewers in while doubling as a keyword-rich phase for SEO, discovery, search engine optimization. So keywords actually matter. Use specific phrases your audience is actually looking for. For me, for example, would be content or growth, tips or hooks for this video. And this is to ensure your post actually gets found. If your post can get found, your content is always going to get discovered, meaning you don't have to rely on trends, meaning you be a go-to expert, meaning that you're always going to get views, meaning you're always going to get sustainable growth, meaning you're going to become an expert in your niche, meaning you're also going to get paid all the time. So the right hook combined with a strategic caption can not only make your content get more views, get your content more engaging, but also more discoverable. Now, speaking of people looking and discovering your content, they're not going to click on it, are they, unless you fix this one important aspect. And that, of course, is going to be your thumbnail or your cover title on any social media platform. Your thumbnail and title can work together to help you grab attention immediately. Think about this for a second. If your title doesn't intrigue or promise value, a payoff, your video might not even get a chance. Titles like this, you're doing this all wrong, or this secret changed everything, sparks curiosity instantly, right? First impressions count, and your thumbnail title is actually kind of like your first hook for discovery. Anyway, it sets the tone and expectations. And you compare bold words like shocking, secret, or even just easy with keywords people are actually searching for. For example, how I got 100K followers in a week, promises, results, and a strategy. As this is a visual platform, the most important hook is actual something that is visual. For example, me shutting the door, sitting down on a chair, picking up my microphone, lip balm on. All visual hooks, and I guarantee you've seen them before for the biggest creators. Transitional hooks that are going mega viral.
What's up? Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Here's my time's messed up.
Likes don't pay the bills. Creating content that attracts the right audience and makes impact does. Now, you've seen the breakdown of the different types you can use, how to use them strategically. Now, imagine combining these hooks for ultimate results. You'll know now how to exactly grab attention, keep viewers engaged, that one actually in it, and turn clicks or views into loyal followers. Now, to help you out, I've created the ultimate resource to help you make your content impossible to ignore. If you want access to thousands of ready-to-use hooks, templates to just simply copy, paste, or embed into your content, I'm talking about text and verbal hooks, captions, and visual hooks, including transitional hooks. To level up your content instantly, plus a special bonus if you are a faceless channel, then check out the link in my description below. To help me to help more people, please do like this video, especially if you found it of value and enjoyed it. Drop a comment if you found this helpful. And make sure you subscribe if you have not done so already for more content like this. Let's crush your social media goals and make your content unmissable. See you on the next one.